Hiding your app always feels fascinating, like, oh, I did hide an app. Well, you can hide app on Samsung's Android device in more easy steps. Well, you don't need to download any third-party app to hide your apps. You can do it simple. Just press and hold an empty space on your home screen wallpaper or pinch into two finger. Now tap on setting or home screen setting. Now scroll down in the setting and look for hide apps. Tap on it. Now a list of installed apps will appear. Tap on the app you want to hide. Well, the best part is you can select multiple apps if you want to hide multiple apps. Now once selected, they will be added to hidden app section. You will have to click on done or apply to save the changes. The selected app will no longer be visible on your home screen or in app drawer. Now, what if you want to unhide those apps? You can repeat the same steps which I told. Now, deselect the app you want to unhide, then tap done to restore them to your app drawer. Well, if you don't want to do this, you can use launchers like Nova Launcher for more customization options, for more hiding options. I'll see you in the next one.